the MicroFit Plus connector from Molex. This wire-to-board connector system offers a 3mm pitch and current capacity of up to 12.5 amps without sacrificing space. Ideal for applications in the telecommunications, networking, medical, consumer, and automotive markets. Optimized for assembly, the keyed housing prevents mismating, and it's designed to handle high mating cycles with a 40% reduction in mating force. In effort to help improve on space savings on the PCB, MicroFit Plus has a smaller PCB footprint than standard MicroFit 3.0. The enhanced design also utilizes TPA retainers to help prevent terminal backout. More information at molex.com.